Welcome. If you've been trying to figure out how to allow mentions from everyone on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. Instagram has updated its web interface, and some settings have moved around a bit, but don't worry, it's still very easy once you know where to look. First, go ahead and open Instagram in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Click on it to open up more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account's main settings page, where you can control everything from privacy to notifications. Now, inside Settings, look for the section called Tags and Mentions. Click on that, and you'll see different options that control who can tag or mention you in posts, comments, and stories. Under the Mentions section, you'll find a few choices. To allow anyone on Instagram to mention you, simply select Allow Mentions from Everyone